Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crazy Guy 2003 channel. Recently I uploaded a video called Burn 'Em Down Episode 4. I'm about to rename that called Psych. This is the original one. Now, me making that prank one was absolutely needed. It was needed to give me a taste of his medicine, and well, his medicine is shit. Right, I said nothing about him in real life. I was just judging his appearance and saying fake shit. Now I'll say real shit. That's real. No cringe. Nothing like that, boy. I just said boy and that's cringe. Fuck. Basically, if you don't know me, because I'm amazing as fuck, I'm Crazy Guy 2003. My channel specialises in bullying little YouTubers like D.A. Brandon. This time the fish bit back, and the big fish, myself, I'm not happy. So, what will I say to him? He called me an inbred, which everyone called me in real life. Calls me in real life, let's say. So doesn't that mean I get to say some shit that he does in real life? I think so. But I'll get to that soon. His channel, D.A. Brandon Live. Go subscribe and dislike all his videos. Give him some support. D.A. What comes to your mind when I say D.A.? If you're the average gamer, you are thinking of something other than D.A. Brandon.
Hey buddies, it's
you, my dear
friends,
friends,
and welcome.
Are talking about D.A. Games. Now, I didn't want to say this in the joke video because I know it would ruin my fire. D.A. Games, D.A. Brandon Live. D.A. Games is not D.A. Brandon, before you get any links like, oh, he's D.A. Brandon, oh my god, let's go subscribe, oh my god. He copied D.A. Games. The only thing that he doesn't do is play the games. He makes shitty music, like D.A. Games. It's a little gaming music. Most people these days don't actually like it anymore. Well, people that are my age, let's say, they don't like it. At school, in English, we was told to send something that was motivated us, something that inspired us to do something. I done a really cool speech about how school sucks. Epic, everyone enjoyed it. No one saw it, so I'm pretty gassed. He done a DA Games song. Now, I'm not saying any names in this video because there's just no point. What I will say is that there is a certain amount of people in our class that bully him because of his YouTube channel. Now, I'm not saying I haven't been bullied. In fact, I used school to get the amount of subscribers and views I have today. It's, the fact that he doesn't stand up for himself. How do I say it? Oh, fuck it. He's a pussy. He is a straight up pussy when it comes to real life. He will say shit on the internet, but he won't say it in real life. To, I don't know, any kid in our class, he won't say it. He'll wait until he's home, and then he'll probably, go on his notes on his phone. Oh wait, he doesn't even have a phone. Fucking retard. He'll go home and he'll probably cry about it. Oh no, I'm being bullied because I'm copying DA Games. Yeah. Hashtag exposed. Now, DA Games, he's a little bit more successful than I am, so I can't say much. But most people today fucking hate him. Not because of who he is just... He's just not that person, you know? He's just a gay gamer. And I mean gay gamer. And most gamers you see today, they're actually legit, like Ninja, Tfue, PewDiePie, and all that. But, no, not him. He's pretty queer. And that's what D.A. Brandon is supposed to be. Now, that's done. I've exposed his channel. I don't have to say about his channel anymore because that's what I'm used to do. Now let's get on some new content. Some new ground. Some level ground. Right, some level ground. I'm gonna chat shit about his appearance in this segment of the video. Only because I feel it's necessary since this is an actual video and this is not the joke. He is small. Relatively small, 5'4", 5'3", 5'5", one of those three. Ginger, wears glasses, real glasses, they're not fake, they're real. Go to Specsavers. This isn't an ad. I won't get ads ever, because of that. Ginger, small, wears glasses, doesn't stand up for himself, an absolute poofter in the real world. Everyone walks around with him, and he's in a gay relationship with a person called Joe Witt. As you know, as Blue Free, whatever his channel name is, he's so irrelevant, I can't remember his name. Now, I can't chat, I like dinosaurs, and I get bullied for that, but I stick up for myself. He does not. I got bullied because of my channel. Guess what? He does not. He stands there, crying on the inside, because people in our class is fucking bullying him. That's all pretty much I can say. I got a load more. You saw the pictures exposed. Yeah, that's actually a big deal. He just doesn't think it's a big deal. Now everyone on the internet knows what he looks like. There you go. You're welcome. Normally it's a bit where I joke around, blah blah blah. No, I'm being serious because he's pissed me off. He thought that was real, so he went serious. Bitch, please. I'm being nice, and I'm still am, technically. I got a load of his shit. So, D.A. Brandon, if you're watching this, respond to this. I'll make sure you get dislikes. I'll fucking make sure, lad. And all of my lovely people out there, Meme Master joined me today on his live stream. Thank you for the support, mate. I appreciate it. I'll go subscribe to you in a minute. He's an absolute tank, and I appreciate it. And he hashtag Crazy Army. Now, is that what I'm calling you guys? Crazy Army? Because when the whole Burn 'Em Down episode 3 thing, it was, let's get rid of that. The whole episode 3 thing, the whole thing escalated, and I got this thing called Anti-Bully Squad, but there was like 7 accounts, probably the same person, I'm not gonna lie, but the Anti-Bully Squad helped me by commenting and disliking my brother's videos. And at the time, so was D.A. Brandon and his lad. Now there's another kid. Oh no, this other kid, I fucking hate him. Kai Whitehead, aka Kai Stalkhead. He joined the live stream and he was basically going up with Brandon because he hates my guts. And he sits in my tutor in the corner like a fucking loner. He doesn't talk to anyone. There was these 2 people that he used to hang around with, Joe and Ryan. They kicked him out their little friendship group. That was 3 of them. Now they Ryan moved up a level, and now he's in a bigger friendship group. Joe's just the outcast, but he's still there because he's Ryan's friend. But Kai was kicked out, and he was left. Now, in our school, we're in friendship groups. We chill our friendship groups, etc., etc. You got your losers, you got the other friendship groups, you got the fucking lesbians, you got the hard men. I'm just in a random friendship group, yeah. Probably druggies is what people call us. But, basically, Kai went to the losers, because that's the only place where he could go. He couldn't go anywhere else, because no one else fucking liked him. He is an absolute twat, and he was called Stalkhead because he stalked on someone called Jess. I'm not going to say her last name, people know who I am, know who she is. I have no feelings towards her, when it comes to her, I'm fucking empty as fuck. She thinks she's all tough because she's emo and fucking edgy. I don't fucking care, mate. You'll get banged. Not by me, obviously. I'm a fucking pussy, mate. You get the fucking point. Kai Whitehead, Stalkhead, whatever you want to call him, ran to the losers, and that's it. He went to the losers because that's the only place he could go. Now, there's this person in our year called Aaron. Not going to say his last name. He kind of got kicked out of our friendship group, and I've been told he was talking to this person called Shaheen. I'm going to say Shaheen is the most, he sticks up for himself, which makes him a little bit more better than the other losers in his friendship group. You got Jaden, Shaheen, Kai, fucking Mateo, William as well. I don't mind William, he's nice. But yeah. This video has basically been me ranting against two people, DA Brandon because he pissed me off, and Kai Whitehead. That's all I'm going to say because I can't be arsed. Please subscribe, dislike the video, because dislikes is more important than the liked, because then it stalks up all your, liked playlists that YouTube automatically adds for some reason. Like when I first started YouTube, I thought you just like it and then you move on. But it actually adds it to a straight up playlist, and I'm like, what? Why? What is the point? Before he roasts me in this video for my appearance, I'm going to sort this out. That radiator, curtain, blinds, curtain, picture that costs 20 quid if anyone's asking, balls that can light up, and little flags. I'm in my PJs, diss me all you want. My hair, I just got out the shower. My skin, I don't fucking care because I love myself. So he can't roast me for appearance, only for the words that I say. And if he is watching this video, all these words in this video is true, and you fucking know it. So you can chat shit all you want, but all this video is fucking truth. Say shit, and you will get shit. You will get dissed by my fucking crazy army, because that's what I'm calling it now. So, go ahead, chat shit, see what happens. This has been your boy, Crazy Guy 2003, and I will see you in another gameplay video. Peace.